Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at two expressions. Before we jump to the solution, please try solving them in your head and leave your guess in the comments below. Let's dive into a math problem that looks simple but trips up many people. 7 plus 3 minus 50 divided by 5 times 2. Now, before jumping straight to the answer, let's remember PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. That's the order we follow to avoid mistakes. Step 1. Solving 7 plus 3 minus 50 divided by 5 times 2. We start with the parentheses first. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now the expression looks like 10 minus 50 divided by 5 times 2. Next, we focus on multiplication and division, which are done from left to right. So first, we divide. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. Now the expression becomes 10 minus 10 times 2. Then multiply. 10 times 2 equals 20. Finally, subtract. 10 minus 20 equals negative 10. So the correct answer is negative 10. Quick break. If this explanation is helping, hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step math lessons. Step 2. Solving 55 divided by 11 times parentheses 55 divided by 11. Now, let's level up with a slightly more complex expression. 55 divided by 11 times parentheses 55 divided by 11. First, we start with the parentheses. 55 divided by 11 equals 5. So now we have 55 divided by 11 times 5. Now, PEMDAS tells us to do division and multiplication from left to right. So first, divide. 55 divided by 11 equals 5. Now the expression becomes 5 times 5. Finally, multiply. 5 times 5 equals 25. The correct answer is 25. Recap and why PEMDAS matters. Notice how in both problems, the key was to follow the order of operations, PEMDAS. Without it, we could easily get the wrong answer. Remember, parentheses first, exponents next, if any. Then multiplication and division from left to right. Finally, addition and subtraction from left to right. This order ensures we're solving math problems correctly every time. If this makes sense, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Math doesn't have to be hard, just follow the steps.